Right. In this video, I'll explain about the package management in Linux. I am Ashok Raja. Welcome to the YouTube channel of Init Pals. In Linux world, a package is a type of an archive that contains source code or executable and its metadata. These packages are managed by OS specific package managers, and their primary responsibility is to allow users to install, remove, upgrade, configure, and manage software packages. In Windows world, it is equivalent to Chocolatey or Winget and Nougat, etc. Say different package managers are used in different variants of Linux. In Debian-based variants like Ubuntu or Kubuntu or Raspbian, advanced packaging tool or apt is used. In SUSE, Zyper is the package manager, and in Fedora and CentOS, it is Yum. So now let's see how the package management flow works. Okay, so whenever we try to install a package, the request would be handled by the package manager. It would search for the availability of that specific package in the mapped repositories. Say if the package is available, it would be installed along with the dependent packages. In Debian, there are say two tools named apt-get and apt-cache. Say these are available to manage packages. The functionality of these two tools are refined and bundled together into a single tool called apt. So as of now, in Debian-based distros, all these three tools will work. But in this demo, I'll lean towards apt-based approach. Right. Say let's start with the viewing the content of the repository. Say apt policy is the command to view the list of the repositories that are mapped to this package manager. So this list is also available in a file called as sources.list located under etc apt and sources.list. Say these are all the repository URLs which starts with the HTTP, and say the second segment is the distribution name, and say the subsequent say the items or the categories. Okay, right. So let's start with installing a package called as cowse. It is a simple package that returns the text that we pass as an argument in a minimal console art of an cow. Okay, right. So before that, say before installing or updating any package, it is always advisable to update the repo to ensure that we are installing the latest version of the package. To update the repo, execute the command apt update. Sudo apt update, and then it would upgrade the repository URLs with the recent version of the package list. And to update the package, the command is apt upgrade. Okay, say sudo apt upgrade. This would upgrade all the installed packages. And okay, so it looks like something around 386 MB of data is going to be downloaded. Let me see how much time it is going to take. Okay, so let it install. Okay, so now we have completed the apt upgrade. Now let's install the package. So to install that cowse package, the command is sudo apt install cowse. Say all installation, removal, and everything has to be done with the elevated privilege. To run a command with the elevated privilege, you have to add sudo in front of it. Okay. Right, we have installed. Let's see whether it is working or not. How say hello. Right, so it is working. Okay, right. So to view the list of installed packages, the command is apt list installed. So this would return the list of packages that are installed in the current machine. And if you would like to search for a package, the command is apt search. Let's say, let me search for Kose. Okay. So these are all the packages that has cow in one or other way. Okay. So let me check whether what that starts with cow. Okay. So these are all the packages that has cow in its start of the word. Right. So now that we have installed the package, to find the location of the folder where it is installed, the command is which say. This would return the location where the package is installed. Okay. So there is no explicit update command to update a specific package. To update a package, it has to be installed again with the newer version. Say this will also lead to accidental installation of the package if it is not installed. Okay. Say to avoid that, use hyphen only hyphen upgrade flag with the apt install. Say with this flag, if the package is already installed, it will be upgraded and it won't try to install it afresh. Okay. Say the command is apt sudo apt install the package name only upgrade. Say if you want it in the other way around, that is, if the package is already installed, you don't want to upgrade it. But if the package is not installed, then if you would like to install it, then the command is apt install say no upgrade. Okay, right. Say to remove a package, the command is sudo apt remove say the package name. It would remove the package, and if you would like to remove the package with all its configuration, the command is sudo apt purge say since I have already removed the package, now it will try to remove only the configuration. Since it doesn't have any configuration, there is no big difference. But if a package has some additional configuration, then with this command, it will try to remove those configurations file as well. Okay. Say to combine both the commands to remove and purge, the command is sudo apt remove hyphen purge and the package name. Right. Say this should remove and say remove the package as well as remove the configuration file as well. Right. Same. If you would like to view the change log of a package, the command is apt change log, the command name, sorry, package name, this would pull the recent change log of that particular package, right? Say this is the change log for this package. To exit, press quit, and say now that we have installed multiple packages, say it would have added some the installers would be left over in our machine. Say in that case, if you would like to clean those packages, the command is apt auto clean. Okay, you have to run it with elevated privilege. Okay, it's all done. And to remove an dependency of a specific app, say if a package have installed some dependencies along with while it is being installed, then to remove those dependencies, the command is sudo apt auto remove the package name. Say now it would remove the dependencies that are associated with that particular package. And to remove the dependencies of all the uninstalled apps, then you just remove the package name. Now it would try to remove the dependencies of all the uninstalled the packages. Okay, right. To just download the package, the command is apt download the package name. It would download the package. Say it would download the package to the current location. Let me see. Say this is what the package that have downloaded with the command. Okay, now let's try to install this particular package. So the command is sudo dpkg -i and the package name. Right, now it have got installed. To check whether it have installed or not, let me execute the command cause hi. Right, so the package is installed and it is working. Right, say while we try to upgrade by using the command apt the update and the apt upgrade, say it may say that certain packages have been held back. Say that is the indicator that there is an update available for operating system. Okay, say to upgrade the operating system, execute the command sudo apt full upgrade. Say this would upgrade the operating system. Right, say that's it for now. If you find the content on this channel helpful, consider subscribing and leave a like for this video. Thank you.